In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pricing table and integrate it seamlessly into your Squarespace site. This guide will walk you through each step with ease, ensuring that you have a professional-looking pricing table up in no time. Let's begin by navigating to the Pricing Table widget. This is a versatile tool you'll often find in website builders or third-party widget providers. Once there, the first task is to choose a suitable template. Templates can vary widely in style and functionality, so take a moment to browse the options available. Consider the design elements that suit your brand and the information you'd like to present. Whether it's a straightforward display of features and prices or something more visually engaging, picking the right template is crucial. Once you've selected a template, the next step is customization. This is where you can inject your brand's personality. Start by tailoring the content to fit your offerings. Things like service descriptions, pricing tiers, and any special promotions you might have. It's also essential to tweak the layout to make it intuitive and easy for your users to digest. Pay close attention to the colors as well. They should align with your brand palette. Customization not only makes your pricing table aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and aligned with your overall website design. After you've crafted the perfect pricing table, you'll need to get the embed code. This step is straightforward. Most pricing table tools will have a button or link to save your work and generate the necessary code snippet. Be sure to copy this code carefully. Any errors might affect the table's integration. Now that you have the embed code, let's move on to your Squarespace site. Head into your Squarespace site editor. Here, you'll want to add a new section on the page where you want your pricing table to appear. This is done by adding a new section block to your existing page layout. Within this section, you'll find an option to include a code block. The code block is an essential element because it allows you to insert custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript into your site. Take the embed code you copied earlier and paste it directly into this code block. Once you've inserted the code, save your changes. Saving this section updates your site, making the pricing table visible to your visitors. Finally, exit the editor and take a moment to admire your work on your live site. You've now successfully integrated a customized pricing table into your Squarespace website, providing your users with a clear and attractive way to explore your pricing options. And there you have it. A few straightforward steps that result in a professional and functional addition to your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and helpful.